In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my strategy, how I went from actually depositing a tiny bit amount of cryptocurrency inside of this one platform and actually withdrawing already my ROI and from this point forward into profit. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start to make some money today. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So in this video, guys, I'm going to be talking about Bet Fury once again, but I'm going to be showing you everything in this video. I'm going to be showing you how much I deposited inside of my accounts and how much I already withdrew my money, guys. So I'm going to even show you how much I withdrew from this as well. So I'm not sure where to start this off with, but we can get started with just the free method. Again, everything can be done for free. So all you have to do is come over here, sign up under my link down below, and get started with this free box right here that pays you out, I believe, every 30 minutes, I would say. So let's go to I am human, and then let's follow up with this capture real quick and just do everything that looks just like an airplane. Those are jets, so I'm not sure if that involves an airplane. So let's just do all of this real quick and we are finished. So let's click on withdraw, and then it's going to say that I have accumulated the 10 satoshis right there, guys. So that's super easy to do, and you can see right here, I think it takes about 20 minutes. I'm not too sure about the timings. They have recently just added in Ethereum, so you can see this information right here, and these are boxes that's going to earn you passive income. And there's something that a lot of people do not do, and I would recommend you guys doing this. So if you're purchasing one of these boxes, which it's totally up to you, I just want to do this for the people that are already under my link or for people that already are using this method. So as you can see right here, guys, we have boxes, right? We have some Bitcoin and some Ethereum. Now always do the biggest amount, always, because it's going to last the same amount. The only thing that changes is the monthly rate. So you can see this is for 7 days, you're going to get 25% monthly rate. But if you just wait it for 30 days, which is insane, you're going to get 50%. You're going to hold the box pretty much for the same amount of time, but you're going to get paid out more if you stay longer. So it's the price does not change. Look, 7 days, look at this, 0.0015 ETH. 30 days, 0.0015 ETH. You're just getting more money. So why not do the longer days and get paid out more? So my box is already about to be finished, but this one's the Bitcoin box. So I'm going to deposit some more Ethereum possibly later on today, or once Ethereum goes down a little bit more, and then start to use this method again. So look, let's just withdraw this free crypto that I'm getting from this. So I already got it withdrawn, and you get paid out every single day by holding their tokens. And that is the whole strategy, guys. Do not come in here trying to use your crypto to earn even more crypto. Use your crypto to earn their tokens, and then the tokens are going to earn you cash back, and the tokens are going to earn you some rewards, some more passive income. And let me show you that right here. So let's go into the staking side of this website. Not a lot of people use this to their advantage. Look, I have barely 12,000 tokens right here, guys. I've only been doing this for about a month or two, and you can see my payouts right here. So this is just about like $1 or $2 in Bitcoin, and along with all of these other tokens that I get passively. And I've been withdrawing my crypto into different websites to expand the crypto and have the crypto work for me and not me work for it. So now, as you can see, I'm getting passive income. I look at all of my withdrawals right here. So my payouts, you can see them all down here. So this is how much been distributed, this is how much tokens I'm holding, and this is my total payout in just the Bitcoin one alone. So if we just go down here, you can see all of these free cryptocurrencies that I'm getting from this actual staking method or staking strategy. Now the way to do this, guys, is go over here where it says all games, putting a little bit of crypto or to get started for free, go into Plinko, and this is what I do. So go into Plinko, and once you go into Plinko, you just come all the way down here to the bottom, go into the red section, and then do as low as possible, guys. So the lower you go, the longer it will last, and the more better chances you have to getting these 1,000 times on the far left and right corner of the Plinko game. And so that's our main goal, is try to get those Plinkos to hit the thousands or at least 130, so we can get that times whatever we bet. So that is the strategy, guys, and I know it's going to take you a while, but if we click right here, you can see my BFG tokens are just going up slowly but surely, and that is how I earned all the way up to this amount. And make sure to not use this token to actually earn more tokens, because eventually you will lose it all. That is the whole purpose of these websites, is for you to if you just stay long enough, it will get back inside of their system and not yours. So just use this to your advantage. Get started right now by clicking the link down below. And now let me show you how much I deposited and show you how much I've withdrawn inside of this one website. So let's go over here to transaction history real quick. You see deposits. So we're gonna go into December was the first time. So let me go to November real quick and see if I have anything in November. As you can see, I do not. So now let's go over to December, and this is where I took action and got started within a month. So you can see deposits all right here, guys. You can see the dates and you can see the amounts right here. So I'm only going to be using Bitcoin for this video, just so I can show you quickly on how you can actually earn profit from this. The other tokens, I mean, they're small tokens, but they are pretty decent amounts, I would say. But we're just going to stick with Bitcoin for this video. You can do the math on your own if you're really interested on how much I earned with 900 Tron. So what I'm going to be doing is just writing this down on a piece of paper, and I'm going to show you my end results. So this is going to be kind of hard for me to switch from one side screen to the other just like that. So let me just write all of these numbers down, and I'll be right back to you. And just take a picture or think about these numbers just in case you think I'm I guess lying or something, but you have the information right here for this month. And I believe there's only one more for January, so let me check that out real quick. And you can see right there just one more. And let's go back to December, and let me write this down, and I'll get right back to you. Alrighty, so I've written everything down. So now let me just type it in, and I'm going to show you the end results on this actually being profitable if you stay consistent on doing this method. So I'm going to be leaving this video recording so you guys can see me do the math. So it equals just about 0.01068. So we can actually copy this number real quick and go check it out to see how much Bitcoin that is. But again, if you look at the Bitcoin prices in December, that's going to give you a better estimate of how much I deposited inside of here. I believe right between December or around there that Bitcoin was actually going up pretty decent amount. So you can do the math on your own, or you can go based off of the price of Bitcoin right now. To me, I'm just looking at the numbers. I'm not really looking at the price of Bitcoin, so I just want to get it bigger than this number right here, and that is just my philosophy. So let me check this out to show you how much money that is. So 0.0106. So let's just check to see how much that is really quick. So 0.016, I believe, or 06, I think it was 06. So 06, and then BTC to USD. So you can see that is $350 just about right there, guys. So now let's go check to see how much I have withdrawn from this website. So let's go to, instead of deposits, let's go to withdraw right there, guys. So this is going to be all in December. I believe, yeah, this December, the same month. So I've withdrawn 0.001 and then 0.005. So now let's move on to the next month really quick. And this is where I started to take a lot of profits, just because I wanted to diversify as much as possible. Because again, everything in crypto is risky, so I just wanted to make sure I got my ROI out of this website so I can actually get started with a different website and start to build it up just the same way as I am doing on this one. So now the other one is so that's already 0.006 BTC, and now 0.001, so that's already 0.007, 0.001 again, so that's another 0.008. So let me do the math real quick and show you that this is profitable, so I'll be right back. So now let me do the math in front of your guys' eyes so you can see that this is actually profitable. So as you can see right there, guys, just within 2 months of me using this strategy and actually staking their tokens, I'm actually already at profit. So this one's at 0.00999 right there, guys. So let's go back to Safari, and I deposited, I believe, around 0.01. So I'm already at the ROI point, and if I withdraw just one more time from this account, I'm going to be in profit and I'm going to be past my ROI, guys. So this is the reason reason why I'm using this strategy on BetFury, and from this point forward it's going to be nothing but profits, and I can withdraw anytime I want into different platforms and start to earn more passive income from different money making methods and strategies that I'm going to be showing you from this point forward on this YouTube channel, guys. So if you want to get started right now, make sure to click the link down below. Make sure to get started right away so you can start to earn some passive income just like I am. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.